Okay, go. Get one.
Cute, no?
These are big vehicles.
Yeah.
Reach na, reach.
Rain na?
Find the helicopter. Find the helicopter. Go. Find the helicopter. Here's the helicopter. This is helicopter. Let's spell helicopter. H. Okay, next. Get one. Get one. Please say go. This is bicycle. The bicycle. Or bike. Very good. We spell bike. B-I-K. Very good. Bye.
That's gonna do something bad, though.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, this is a spinning top. Again? Top. Top. Very good. Spell top. T-O-P. Can I hear you say the pop sound? Top. Okay, very good for trying. That's a horse. Very good. To ride the horse. Spell horse name. Horse. H-O-R-S. Very good. Horse. Good job. Next. What's next, Dean? What's that? iPad.